Welcome. If you've ever muted someone's notes on Instagram and now want to see their updates again, you're in the right place. Maybe you muted someone's notes to take a break from their updates, or perhaps it was by accident. Whatever the reason, today I'll show you the simple steps to unmute someone's notes on Instagram, using the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make this change. Once you're in, head to the search bar at the bottom and type in the username of the person whose notes you want to unmute. After you find their profile, tap on it to open their page. Now, look just below their bio, right under their profile picture and name. You'll see a button labeled Following. Tap this button. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Mute. This is where you can control what content you see from this account. You'll notice options for muting posts, stories, and notes. If Notes is toggled on, that means you've muted their notes and won't see their updates at the top of your inbox. To unmute their notes, simply tap the switch next to Notes to turn it off. The toggle should slide to the left and change color, letting you know that notes are now unmuted. That's it. You'll start seeing their notes again at the top of your Instagram inbox whenever they post a new one. Unmuting someone's notes is quick and easy, and you can repeat these steps for any other account you want to unmute. If you ever change your mind, you can always go back and mute their notes again using the same process. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next video.